In the last year, drivers' habits have changed drastically. They're more connected all the time, and they choose fast, digital services. So if your shop isn't digital, you should be worried. Now, you can keep up with your customers and the market by becoming a connected repair shop. With Net4Things Connected Solution, you'll have a powerful, intuitive customer management system where you can organize and follow up on repairs, manage appointments, and save time with more efficient planning. You can see the car's diagnostic codes, mileage, trip history, and previous repairs or services. You'll have direct, personalized communication with your customer, allowing you to stay connected and provide relevant, quality service even after their visit. You can also create special promotions and discounts specific to your customers, so each one knows that they're important to your business and returns every time they need something. Bring your shop up to speed with Net4Things Connected Repairs.